Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I hope you're all well. I'm out on Pocklington Canal having a paddle today and I've noticed that there is a geocache on my way back. So it's about 1.7 kilometres away. Let's go and have a look, eh? Now I have to say this particular stretch of Pocklington Canal has been absolutely stunning. There's all this wonderful growth under the water and I've seen loads of fish today. Colours, I call them water cabbages, I don't know what they actually are. And then the lilies on the top. Isn't it lovely? Just an absolutely beautiful day, to be honest. Look at this carpet of blossom on the water that's come from the trees. You see the fish? Loads of them there, little ones. You won't be able to see this in this light, so I'll screenshot it. About 1.3 kilometres away. Carpeted with water lilies, this place is in places. That was an awful lot of places in that sentence. Now we're just coming up to a lock. What that means is I'm going to have to get out and carry the boat down to the bottom. Seeing so many fish in this area. Cheeky, right? The reflections underneath that bridge looks great. Well, let's have a quick look at the app. Around 820 metres to go, so not far. It's funny how it changes between the levels. So here, it's kind of like, looks like underwater clover. It's kind of weird. Lots of damselflies buzzing around. 580 metres. Shy of 380 metres. Getting closer. You know when something catches your eye? I just paddled straight past that and I thought it was a body in the water. Well, it wasn't. Anyway, that's around 280 metres. Oh, look at those fish. Now, I'm round about the 180 metre mark. Wow, look at them, loads of them. Oh. Anyway, as I was saying before I was fish interrupted. Oh, look at the damselflies too. Just all distractions. Distractions today. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by nature. I'm about 180 metres away. There is a lock. Another one just a bit further down, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be on there. Really is quite a magnificent stretch of this canal, this. I think I'm wrong. Sorry about the sun, can't be helped because of the direction. I think I'm wrong. It's saying I'm about 20 metres away. And I am nowhere near yet that lock. Well, I'm not far off, but... nuts! Alright, so that lock's come into view. I might be able to just run up and get it. I'm about 100 metres away at the moment, so I'm not going to be far off. I might be able to just either carry the boat or leave the boat, I don't know yet. Oh, damn, at this mooring I'm about 170 metres away. Right, the boat should be alright there. I'm going for it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, that post up ahead is where it's at. Oh, there's another two up there. And muggles, and my boat's down here, so I'm going to leave it. Damn. Well, it's another day. I didn't do it that day. I couldn't do it. I couldn't find a way to... I wasn't comfortable leaving the boat. It is a very expensive boat. I just wasn't comfortable leaving it while I swanned off and did that geocache. So this is a couple of weeks later, and I've parked up where I showed you by the bridge, and I'm having a walk. It's about 450 metres to the cache location. The canal's just beyond that edge there, and I'm just going to stroll down here and see if I can find it. It's a bit impromptu. It's a Monday. Don't normally geocache. I only geocache on a weekend. It's a Monday. Yeah, I've just finished work, but it's a beautiful Monday, and I had a nice early finish. I thought, let's go and get this one done. Done, I tell you. Well, I very much doubt the camera will pick this up, but I just heard this noise in the background, and there's 4 helicopters. 4. See, the joys of coming out geocaching on a day I don't normally geocache. See things I don't normally see. Weird. 4 helicopters. That is actually one of the things I really want to do, go on a helicopter flight. So I think I'm going to do that at some point. Just book one out of one of those like 20-minute flights just to see what it's like. So this is the mooring where I moored the boat, and the caches are down there. And you might recall I just really wasn't comfortable leaving the boat here, mostly because there was a couple of muggles knocking around, and whilst I don't think anything would have happened, it is an expensive boat, that one. Anyway, I'm about 190 metres away. I can see a muggle up there, but they're walking away from me, which is good. Let's have a quick look, see where we're up to. Probably can't see that. It says about 88 metres. Found it, found it, found it. You might recall a video where I talked about the Victorinox Compact as a useful tool of the trade in geocaching. Well, I have actually upscaled this, quite literally, to the Huntsman. And the reason I say upscaled is I've put different scales on the Huntsman that allows me to carry both the tweezers and the pen. So it's just a better knife for an everyday carry knife, is this one, because it's got a few more useful tools on. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. Awesome. I think I'm going to get some merch made with that on. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, as I was saying, as you can see in better light, I've been using the Victorinox Huntsman as my tool of the trade, especially for caches like this where I haven't got a geocaching kit with me, but I always have this as my everyday carry. And yeah, really handy with it having a pen, tweezers, all those kind of things tucked into it. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do about liking, subscribing and all that jazz. You take care of yourself. See you soon. Cheerio.